Hi friends, welcome to your own channel Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make a very famous dosa and that is the main ingredient over here is paneer and cheese. I am sure you will love to see this recipe. First I'll start to heat up a pan. Initially I'll add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to use a mix of oil and butter. In the oil add around 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let it splutter. Add 2 green chilies finely chopped and 10 to 12 curry leaves. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. On the street side you must have seen they use garlic sauce, but herein I am cooking into the oil, so I am using ginger garlic paste. Let the butter melt. I would have used butter initially. I would have added cumin seeds into the butter, but what happens is butter gets burnt and you get that burnt flavor. So to maintain the flavor of the butter, I am adding the butter at this point. Let the butter melt. Add 2 medium size of onions finely chopped and I'll cook till it turns translucent. The reason behind this is all these vegetables are actually cooked on the dosa, wherein the onions doesn't caramelize. So that is the reason I'm just letting the onions turn translucent and then I'll add the other ingredients. After the onions are done, add the dry spices. For dry spices, here I have 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of dry mango powder, that is amchur powder, half teaspoon of cumin seeds powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. So the spices basically used by the street dosa walas is a mix of all these spices. Add the spices to the onion and cook for around a minute. After the spices are cooked, add around 3 medium size of tomatoes finely chopped. Now mix all the ingredients well. Cook till the tomato gets a paste-like consistency and you get a homogeneous mixture of all the ingredients. Add salt to taste. Mix well. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of chili sauce and 1 bowl of tomato sauce. Mix all the ingredients well. Add 1 small bowl of water and simmer for another 5 minutes on a low heat so that the mixture is properly cooked. When the mixture gets a thick paste-like consistency, add the paneer cubes, the cottage cheese cubes. This is around 250 to 300 grams. Simmer for around 2 to 3 minutes so that the flavor of the mixture infuses with the paneer too. Garnish with freshly chopped green coriander leaves. Mix it well. The stuffing over here is ready. I'll keep this aside and I'll start making the dosas. This consistency for the mixture is perfect. Don't make it too dry because this is going to be spread all across the dosa. Now to make the dosa, start to heat up the dosa pan. Grease it with 1 tablespoon of oil and wipe it out with wet tissue paper. Spread little bit of dosa batter onto the pan in a circular manner. Spread 1 tablespoon of melted butter all across the dosa. Cook for a minute. Keep the flame on a low-medium heat. Put 1 spatula of the mixture onto the dosa. The quantity completely depends on how much you want to put on the dosa, but for me this is perfect. Mash it up with a potato masher so that the paneer cubes get mashed up nicely, and spread it all across the dosa. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Grate some cheese onto it. I'm just keeping control on all the toppings. I just don't want to overboard the dosa with any of the flavor. So I should get a mix of all the flavor together into the dosa. So here in one dosa is ready. I'll show you one more. Just spread little bit of batter onto the pan, making a dosa in a circular form. Spread 1 tablespoon of melted butter onto it. Top it up with 1 spatula of the mixture. Using a potato masher, mash it and just spread it all across the dosa. Each dosa takes not more than 4 to 5 minutes to get cooked. Grate some cheese. You can always impress your guests and friends by making this dosa. After the cheese, again cook for a minute till the cheese melts. And when the dosa is ready, just remove it from the pan, fold it and serve it with your favorite chutney, onion chutney or coconut chutney. Enjoy this dosa with your family and friends.